Financial markets rarely follow one predictable path. This is why scenario planning can be more useful than relying on a single expectation. DominanRise presents market education as a process of exploring possibilities, preparing for challenges, and developing confidence through structured analysis. Start by identifying the current market environment. Is price moving in a clear direction, remaining within a range, or reacting to new economic information? Next, create 3 possible scenarios. The first describes what may happen if the current direction continues. The second considers a change in market structure. The third examines what could happen if activity remains uncertain or limited. Each scenario should include supporting evidence. This may involve price behavior, volatility, economic announcements, market sentiment, or changes across several timeframes. Modern analytical tools can help organize these details, while dedicated guidance can explain how separate signals connect. The purpose is not to predict every movement. It is to prepare for different conditions before they appear. DominanRise supports learners with innovative resources designed to make dynamic markets easier to study. Confidence grows when uncertainty is approached with preparation, flexibility, and a clear educational process.